Your choice, your trusted guide for competitive exam preparation and smart learning. Let's say that. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics for all exams like Indian economy. If you want a quick, clear, and exam focus points that can actually help you succeed, then you are in the right place, okay? So you have to make sure that you watch till the end without skipping because each point I'm going to share or I'll share today can give you that edge in your exams. At the same time, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share with your friends or maybe your near and dear ones, maybe to strangers too, and subscribe to Mizo Choice for more daily updates and smart tips. Okay, we're gonna start here. Okay, so let's get started. So here at the very first and foremost, or for instance, here I just keep that CCO, and the full form is that Cooperative Credit Organizations, and cooperative credit organizations are financial institutions formed on the principle of cooperation, mutual help, and let's say that it's a democratic management, okay? And their main purpose is to provide affordable credit to members, especially farmers, small traders, maybe like sole proprietorship or partnership business, as we've already mentioned in the business laws and business entity like that, okay? So small traders and weaker sections of society who are often exploited by money lenders. They are the medium interpreters, and money lenders are like brokerage. As you know, let's see if we just focus on our mind with our stock market and all that too. Money lenders charging these money lenders charge very high interest, okay, will dealing with, or at the same time they are helping them, but they charge very high interest, and they operate on the motto of one member, one vote, and work without profit motive. These organizations mobilize savings from members and provide loans at reasonable rates. So here they started first time in 1904, and PCC. As we all know that I don't think that I need to explain about this. Provide credit for short period, and Primary Agricultural Credit Society (PACS), village level institutions directly serving farmers. Okay, and we got here central cooperative banks. At district level, they operate that and coordinating and supporting PSS, state cooperative banks. At the apex state level, supervising and linking with RBI, NABARD, and all national agriculture bank bodies for farmers, or their those who are engaged their primary activities or primary occupations uh, deals with this agriculture or shifting cultivation and all that. Okay, provide they provide easy and cheap credit to rural people, and they reduce dependence on moneylenders. So they help a lot and they work a lot. Yeah, immensely. They provide that cheap and easy credit to rural people, and they help them not to rely on the moneylenders and all. Okay, not too much. I'm not saying that it's absolutely or completely avoid moneylenders. It's quite difficult to avoid completely those moneylenders without them, without their helpness. It's difficult to move on. Okay, so they support agriculture and rural development. I told you that on my last video that if you have any problem regarding my voice or regarding my okay, let me say that sometimes I'm stammering, that sometimes I talk too fast, and sometimes I do very slow. I talk very slow, so I tried my level best to explain those things in more effective and more clear manners. So I got feedback on that, and so I'm really thankful for that. Please don't feel shy or don't feel ashamed of that doing that. Please do feedback or do comment regarding my pitch and regarding my voice or regarding my how to say that the way I express or the way I teach you or the way I explain everything with that. So you don't need to hesitation, or you don't need to get nervous, or you don't need to scared to express anything. Okay, I'm not perfect. I'm also human, so I'm not perfect. So everybody made mistake in this world. So no need to feel ashamed of it, and no need to feel scared, or no need to feel disturbance, or no need to feel any hesitation. Whatever you're thinking or whatever you want to express, you please express that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I knew that it took a very long time on that cooperative organizations. Now we are landing here on Land Development Bank. It was established in the year 1919 in the form of Land Mortgage Bank and provides long-term loans. They provide long-term loans, and earlier it was known as Land Development Bank, but these days they already converted, or they shifted, or they changed their name, that Land Mortgage Bank. So land development banks are cooperative institutions that provide long-term credit to farmers for purposes like land improvement, purchase of equipment, irrigations, and repayment of their old debts. They raise funds mainly by issuing debentures backed by state government guarantee. Okay, and They help in promoting agricultural productivity, land development, and reducing dependence on moneylenders. Earlier too, we've already mentioned that their main objective is reducing their dependence on moneylenders because that they charge very high interest. At the same time, they might say that they are helping them, but they charge very high interest. Okay, that's why the main objective is that reducing dependence on moneylenders. Okay, other, other. So other is the first on scale digital ID service of the world, which is formless and paperless, and it's the largest biometric program in the world. So they make India very famous in a positive way, and they are making India a global leader in biometric technology. And other is for those who are beginner or those who are very I mean that the for the layman to understand that other is a 12-digit unique identification number issued by the UDI to Indian residents based on their biometric. Biometric is that the fingerprints, iris, and demographic data is serve as proof of identity and address, and is used for direct benefit transfer. Call as that DBT, direct benefit transfers, subsidies, financial services, and e-governance to promote transparency and reduce leakages. Okay, I think we can move the FMs, and full form is National Electronic Fund Management System to streamline the fund flow mechanism and bring down delay in payment of wages, and reduces delay in allocation of funds for payment of wages to the state, and removes parking of funds at various levels. And National Electronic Funds Management is an electronic system launched by the Government of India for direct transfer of wages to workers under MGNREGA, and it ensures that timely, transparent, and paperless payment directly into beneficiaries' bank accounts through other-based direct benefit transfer. Okay, we are here. Trade and commerce. Trade and commerce are very old as occupation. Many of us, or most of us, claim that prostitution is the oldest business or the oldest trade, which involves buying and selling. That's I'm not going to say about that. Chocolate textile in India first factory was established in 1818 at Gagari near Kolkata, but unfortunately it was failed that in 1855 forced jute factory was established in Risara, West Bengal, and very popular name Jamshedji Tata established first factory in Jamshedpur in 1907. And trade means that buying and selling of goods and services, while commerce includes all activities that support trade like transport, banking, insurance, and communications. I guess, and I hope that nothing, I don't think that there is a problem regarding my teaching, explanation, voice, anything about that. If anything occur regarding my voice or the way I talk, maybe too fast or too slow, anything regarding it, please don't ever hesitate. Please express, okay? So for this time, that's all for our topics regarding Indian economy. So I'm gonna cover all topics and each and every subject like history, modern Indian history, ancient, medieval, or Indian economy, polity, geography, world geography, all subjects will cover all subjects and anything that's needed like materials in any formats like PDF, PPT, or any materials regarding all kinds of examination, all types of competitive examinations, those who are preparing for that and those aspirants. So I'm really eager to help you out, and I hope that you get success through my vids. If you continuously watch or if you consecutively watch and don't ever never skip, okay? Each and every topic is very important for your forthcoming examinations or your future examinations, okay? So that's all for this time. Thank you so much for viewing my vids and sharing, like, comment, and if you are not yet subscribing my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe. Okay, that's all for this time. Love you all. Thank you. Bye bye.